And they called it puppy love.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I did this DIY Mickey wreath. Here are some of the supplies that I used to create this wreath. We start off with this little thread that I actually had from a sewing machine. I didn't end up using it, but I kind of showed it in the video. My hot glue gun, my handy hot glue gun, fake flowers, and these are from the dollar store. And then I have the foundation of the Mickey Mouse. I really don't know what this is. It's a wreath. I really don't know what the exact term for this is, but this like little wooden wreath thing. I got them from the dollar store, so they were $1 each. Here are some fairy lights. I got this from Hobby Lobby, and I will link it down below. Here is some wiring that I got from a previous DIY, and it actually came in the clutch with this DIY, and you'll see later. So I used different methods in order to get the ears to connect to the bigger wreath. So I used this string. I tried to tie them together. It really was like very flimsy. I tried many different methods in order to get these ears to stick together. As you can see, this just wasn't the greatest idea. So then I ended up using hot glue gun and pressed the two circles together really tightly. And for the most part, the hot glue did work, but I wanted to ensure that it would stay together, so I used that wiring that I showed you in the beginning of the video and just kind of twisted it around to ensure that it would just definitely stick together. Finally, they have come together. I didn't show this in the video, but I wrapped the twinkly lights all around the wreath. It was very easy. And now I'm just gluing down all of the leaves and flowers. I really don't have a method with this. I was just placing them the way that I thought that they would look nice. This is all freestyle, so you can definitely do the same. To ensure that the flowers are sticking, I am using my hot glue gun. For some reason, I thought it would be smart to do that off the camera and not on camera, but yeah. I'm using hot glue gun to ensure that the flowers stick to the wreath. how I hung this was I stuck the nails into the wreath, and it's also over there. And I hammered it into the wall, and it's very sturdy, it's not gonna fall. And then for the light box, I just command stripped it to the wall so that it wasn't like on the wreath, which would have been very silly. But I am obsessed with how this came out. Like, I felt like something was missing from my wall, and I wasn't sure what to do about it, but I'm so glad I did this. This was all from the dollar store, which I probably already said. So yeah, everything was from the dollar store besides the lights, of course. The lights were from Hobby Lobby, but I'm pretty sure like you could probably find these kind of lights at the dollar store if you really looked and if you were lucky. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and please stay tuned for the upcoming videos.
And they called it puppy love. Oh, I